Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video. We're going to be laying Mercury Grey porcelain slabs, but unfortunately, as you can see, we have this pretty big hawthorn tree which could potentially disrupt the whole project. So the plan obviously is to get the base in as low as we can and potentially chop off any roots we encounter. The customer knows that could potentially damage the tree long term, but it's something that we're prepared to do. So as you can see here, we did encounter a few roots. This was probably the most major one. We just axed it off. Like I say, it will damage the tree potentially. In an ideal world, usually you just avoid it at all costs. So this patio does come with a bit of risk to it. Decided as well, just to save a bit of time, just to get the block pavers in at the same time I was doing the slabs. So here's a close-up of the slabs we're using. Like I say, Mercury Grey, 900 by 600, quite nice. And they cost around £12.50 per slab, which isn't too bad. In case you was wondering, these slabs are getting primed in the background, as you can see there. Always make sure these are primed before you lay. Okay, so now's the time for the part that really sets off the patio. We're using jet black easy joint for this. Obviously, favourite part of the job, as it usually means you're pretty much finished. Usually like to go over it twice, just make sure you press down all the joints. And there we have it, before shot and the after. I'd love to know what you think in the comments and if you think the tree might become a problem. And thank you for watching.